Let's go in for a firming and plumping face fitness facial using Glow Recipe. After a deep cleanse and exfoliation, we are going to pat and press the ultra gentle PHA-BHA Watermelon Pore-Tight toner onto the skin. Next, the Pomegranate Peptide firming serum for lifting and firming. Did you know that when your neck is tight and tense, that tension can be visible on your face? Massaging your neck will clear the pathway for nutrients to travel more efficiently up to the face and will promote a healthier circulation. The neck is 70% of your facial workout. Try this at home with the lightest touch. Be sure to use enough serum so the glide is smooth. Hydrate and plump, and balance the skin with the Plump Hyaluronic Cream. It's a whipped gel cream moisturizer that fills each skin layer with a long-lasting plumping hydration for a dewy glow. Non-greasy, so it's the perfect ally to lifting face fitness moves. And the last glossy step is your hydration for the lips, the Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. Happy firming and plumping!